Welcome, I'm Lisa Marie and I'll be guiding you through this healing meditation. For this meditation, I'd like you to begin in a comfortable seated position and make sure you turn off any possible distractions. This is very important. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath. And now exhale slowly through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath and exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you inhale, feel your abdomen and your chest expanding fully. As you exhale, feel your abdomen and your chest lower. Keep repeating this slow breathing, counting in your mind's eye as you inhale and as you exhale. Every time you exhale, feel yourself becoming more relaxed. Every time you exhale, feel your body sinking deeper. Every time you exhale, allow your shoulders to move further down away from your earlobes. Maybe see if you can count slower as you breathe in and as you breathe out. If thoughts come, just let them float past like clouds in the sky. No need to enter into discussion with them. Just be aware and then return yourself to this peaceful and calm, slow breathing and counting. As you breathe slowly, I wonder if you have noticed how relaxed you are starting to feel. How peaceful and calm you are right now. If your mind starts to wander off, simply begin to count each breath again. This will help to anchor you here and now. Fully surrendering, fully relaxing every muscle in your body. letting go of any tension, worries, stress. Release it as you breathe out. Now I invite you to think about the area on the top of your head. Visualize a large white flower, maybe a lotus flower. See this flower in all its beauty, opening fully to the sky above you. Its white petals opening fully. Now visualize a golden liquid coming down from the sky above you and pouring into this flower on the top of your head. This healing golden liquid is entering through the middle of the white flower into your crown chakra at the center of the top of your head. All its white petals are open to allow for the space for this beautiful healing golden liquid to enter into the middle of this flower. I invite you to begin to fill this healing golden liquid pouring into your crown chakra and through the center of this beautiful large white flower. Continue to breathe very slowly, relaxing your shoulders down even more as you inhale and exhale. Start to visualize and feel this healing golden liquid moving into your head, trickling around your brain, your eyes, your pineal gland, through your sinuses, your mouth, your ears, visualize this healing golden liquid flowing around your shoulders and into your upper back, and now flowing down your spine into every single vertebrae and intervertebrate disc. Allow this healing golden liquid to move around all of your internal organs, your heart, your lungs, your diaphragm, your stomach, moving its way gently, flowing everywhere inside of you. Be aware of your slow breathing and how relaxed you are feeling as you inhale and exhale. Just releasing and letting go of any stress, any tension, and any aches and pains. starting to feel calm and centered, beginning to feel happy and healthy. Now visualize this healing golden liquid as it continues to flow throughout your body, all around your hips and your pelvis, and now down your legs, your thighs, your knees, your lower legs, and finally into your feet. I would like you to send this golden liquid to any specific areas in your body where you are requiring healing. Visualize this golden liquid cleansing and clearing away any discomfort or pain. Now allow this liquid to flow down towards your feet and see it draining out from the soles of your feet and back into the earth. As this healing golden liquid empties from your body from the top to the bottom, notice also any negative energy dissolve and flow out through the bottom of your feet. Feel the sensation of cleansing your entire being, breaking down stagnant energy. As this healing golden liquid flows down and out of your body, you are flushing out toxins and removing blockages, releasing anything that is not aligned with your highest potential from every part of your being, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Unblocking energetic pathways and letting go of any emotional or energetic heaviness that no longer serves you. Visualize this liquid flowing out through the soles of your feet. As this liquid leaves your body, you are creating space for renewed vitality, wellness, and health. Feel this shift taking place as you cleanse out the old and make way for the new. Any pain, discomfort, toxins, blockages, tension, emotional heaviness, stagnant energy, limiting beliefs, stress, fear, self-doubt, or anything not serving your highest good is now gently leaving your body. You are starting to feel lighter. You are beginning to feel happier. Take a moment to acknowledge this feeling. Just breathe into it. And remember, you can come back to this meditation with me as frequently as you like. Enjoy this sensation, and when you're ready, just begin to move your fingers a little. Perhaps blink your eyes and just become aware of your surroundings. Thank you, beautiful soul. Remember to give my other meditations a try, and do let me know in the comments how you found it. Sending you so much love.